Seat infotainment systems in models like the Ibiza, Leon, and Ateca can experience black screens or no audio, often due to software glitches or outdated firmware. For black screens, start by checking the fuse box and ensuring your car battery exceeds 11.5 volts. Inspect the fuse panel for any blown fuses that could cause power issues. A simple system reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds can resolve software freezes by clearing the cache. No audio problems often stem from Bluetooth pairing issues or faulty audio amplifiers. Try unpairing and repairing your device or check speaker connections. For Bluetooth issues, follow the pairing tutorial in your car's manual. For more in-depth troubleshooting, SIT offers a diagnostic tool app for iOS and Android. Remember, performing a factory reset through the car's service mode will erase all personal settings, so back up your data first. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve seat infotainment issues, advanced fixes become necessary. Start by updating your system's firmware through the Seat Connect app, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle's ECU. Seat uses over-the-air updates for models from 2022 onward to automatically resolve common issues like software glitches. For older vehicles or hardware-related failures, professional servicing at a dealership is often required to replace faulty components. Newer seat models feature AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect problems like black screens and initiate repairs. Looking ahead, expect autonomous recovery systems, modular designs for simpler repairs, and enhanced cybersecurity with encrypted updates. If problems continue, always consult professionals for diagnostics to prevent safety hazards from distracted driving.